2017 Ford Mustang 4-cylinder turbo. Well, it's got this gigantic catalytic converter there. Then it's got 2 1/4 pipe. Then we had a gigantic resonator there. We took that out. Today's the word of the day is gigantic. So we took that out and put a Y pipe in its place because it comes in single in, dual out. Then we continued the 2 1/4 all the way back and added 2.5 inch into 18-inch by 4-inch rolled edge tips. There, that was a hot mouthful. And there, as you guys can see. And what it looks like, absolutely magnificent. If I could say myself, look at that. 4-inch tips fitted perfectly. Hopefully we'll have a link for in the description to that Y pipe and the tips. Tell us what you guys think of the sound in a second. Hit that like and subscribe button. Oh, baby. You can hear the whistle. That's not bad. Sound decibels? 105. Go ahead and back it up. You didn't want to keep up any of the old stuff. That sounds good. You always want to angle the tips a little bit like that. Just goes with the bumper a lot better. With the rear diffuser. You can hear it speaking. Oh, baby. Ford Mustang. Let you guys hear on the inside. EcoBoost 4-cylinder Mustang turbo. With some wheels on it. Doesn't look too bad. Sorry. He says he's gonna go beast mode. Let's see.